so that they contain a land wrong time. Okay, Siri, because this like this. Why you coming out from your car? What's wrong with you?
It's okay.
You know how much this car is? This is 2016. What car is this?
It's okay, don't worry.
You never go. My friend can't take this car out of here. Look at that boy here. Leave this place. I know here. The Moto, Moto.
No.
That's even Moto. Do you know how much this car, American option, imported from Germany? The only one of 20 in this country.
Are you serious?
You take go Cambodia. I pay a pot of money. Another thing, you know that stop sign that is yeah. Somebody wanted to take my life.
No.
Hey! Okay, you want to deploy my airbag in a America like this? If I got a winch, a wawusa, if I got get it, hey, Chineke. Oga uni wine now, okay, so katona babu. Look at your towel. Baby, patana moto. Let me spoil you. Body. The place I'm taking you to now, point and kill. They have different types of fish. You point it, they kill. They have, the name, I don't know the name, I think it's called Agotoro Place. It's a restaurant. They have Grover. Yawuru tilapia, Yawuru Morocco, well, shark, Yawuru Mami Water Kitchen. You point it, they kill it for you.
Go. Wait, hold on, babe.
Okay.
I think I left my phone.
Hi, Chineke. Oh, boy,
Wait, what did you say?
No, what I said is, yeah, very beautiful.
Yes, thank you, baby.
Do you understand what your boyfriend is saying to you? Sign up for Express Igbo today. Don't allow your boyfriend to cause your life out.
And you speak Igbo bilingual. Well, let's kick it, Ronaldinho. Pack your bags up and roll it. Let's travel the globe. Getting this dough is all that we know. She said finding me though was like finding Nemo. Her friend wanna elope after meeting SeaWorld. Plenty of vacations at the full arrangements. Take a trip to Lagos, let you see my nation.